Yeah, well, today I'm just going to take you through the analysis for next week. So first of all, we will look at it from the daily time frame and then down to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so just stay tuned. My name is Justice. I'm a trader. Okay, so now let's look at the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame for gold. I basically trade only gold, so I'll be talking about only gold. Okay, so basically moving to the daily time frame. Right, so this is the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, what do we expect to see for next week? That's what is very important for us. So let's mark some important zones. So this rejection here is an important zone for me, and another important zone for me is the one above here. So I'm just marking those important zones, and the rejection or the week here is also very important. So let's look at the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, we're going to refine what we mark on the daily. Okay, so I'm going to clean this line here, and this rejection is still perfect. This is also still perfect. Now this has activated this, so there is no reason the pair will go here. Okay, now let's look at on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, the basic structure is what? When there is a higher high and then there is a lower low, we expect a lower high and then another lower low and then lower high and another lower low. Okay, so this is the structure we will be expecting, and let's look at it from here. So there was a higher high and then higher low, higher high, and then we had a lower low. We have a lower low, and then there was some liquidities here. Price moved and then formed a lower high. So what would we be expecting? We will be expecting what? A lower low, which should break this low here. So a lower low, something like this, another lower high, and then a lower low. So this will be the expectation. So for those who are day traders, they will already be in the trade because this other block has been triggered, and that is where the entry is supposed to be after the bullish engulfing candlestick. After this bullish engulfing candlestick, so the entry is supposed to be like this for those who trade the 1 hour time frame, and be expecting a move to the downside up to maybe this point here. Maybe 1:3. Yeah, something like this. This will be the analysis for those who use the 1 hour or those who are day traders. For those of us who are scalpers or we trade smaller time frames, what we will be expecting would be this. I'm going to erase this. So immediately the market opened, my expectations will be that I'll move to the 5 minutes time frame. And then on the 5 minutes time frame, I will do the same thing. So there was a break here. Let me explain it. So there was a higher high, higher low, and then higher high, and there is a break, lower low. So I'm expecting a lower high and then a sell. Now this has been triggered, which is important. So a trade would have been activated from here and already in profits. but I'm not already in this trade. So what will I do to catch this trade? I'll go further to 3 minutes time frame and then enlarge this side here. So on my 3 minutes, let's follow the structure again. Higher high, higher low, then higher high, then let's say higher low, then there was a lower high which breaks this like this. So my expectations will be that this will be a liquidity, and then this liquidity will move to around this area here to activate this zone here, and then a fall. If you are using a Fibonacci, so the Fibonacci is this one here. Yeah, so I'll be expecting a move to the 618 region and then a fall. Now when the pen hits the Fibonacci zone, what I'll be expecting is that I'll be waiting for a bearish engulfing candle stay, and then I'll put my stop loss behind the candle that was rejected, or the back of the bearish engulfing candle, and I'll be targeting 1:3. So something like this. So this will be my trade plan, or maybe the engulfing candle comes here, and yeah, I'll be expecting 1:3 like this. Yeah, something like this. So I will take a screenshot of this chart here. You can find it on my Twitter page, JK_market, or you can go to the red app. You will find it as JK Markets, or you can visit our website at jkmarkets.co.uk for more information. And if you are interested in learning how to trade the foreign exchange market, you can as well visit the JK Markets website. There are lots of information there that you can start with. So peace out. Let's wait and see how this week ends. All the best.